Hare Krishna, Namaste. Chapter 4, which is entitled as Jnana Yoga, Sloka 10. vīta-rāga-bhaya-krodhā man-mayā upāśritāḥ bahavo jñāna-tapasā pūtā mad-bhāvam āgatāḥ. In the previous session, we learned how by practicing bhakti with proper knowledge and understanding, having no doubts, the Lord's appearance and activities are real, will attain the state of Krishna through the transcendental love. Also, we discussed about mad-bhāvam āgatāḥ, attaining the state of Krishna. Continuing on that, when it is said mad-bhāvam āgatāḥ, it is not that we, the Atma, also become another God or like equal to Krishna. It is not that the Atma become one with God, merging into Him. It is not that we lose our identity as Atma. It is not that we become Sunya, meaning non-existence. And it is not that Atma keeps traveling upward with no end to its destination, keep on traveling. So these are different ideas or understanding that various people have what it means by moksha. And these are not conclusive recommendation of the Vedas. So the question is what it means then attaining the state of Krishna. So there are 8 qualities that one attains when they get moksha. Apahata papma, vijaraha, vimrutyuhu, vishokaha, vijihissaha, avipāsaha, satyakamaha, satyasankalpaha. Those are the 8, which are: one becomes free of sin, free of aging, free of death, free from sorrow, free from hunger, free from thirst, and his desires comes true, and Satya Sankalpaha. Whatever he wants, he can get things done. So these are the 8 qualities that one gets when they get moksha. We will never become God, as God is only one. And as a true devotee, one would always wanting to serve God, not to take the position of God. Otherwise, it is like I am serving my boss very nicely, giving him gifts on his birthdays, taking some free tickets for his children for some circus, etc. Talking to him nicely, praising him nicely. Why? So I can kick him off from his position and take his position. Or I can become a boss, another boss, so I can do whatever the boss is doing now, my boss is doing now, can be done by myself. I don't need to be under anyone's mercy. Take the controllership. But the devotee does not think any of like this. He wants to always remain as a servant, serving the Lord. So Jivatma gets only these 8 divine qualities: free of sin, age, death, sorrow, hunger, thirst. His desires come true. His Satya Sankalpaha. He will, by his will, can make things happen. The Lord has unlimited other qualities. He is not limited just with the 8. There are many other qualities. But all of them are reserved, and it's for Him. He doesn't give any of those things. Just to name a couple, Jagat Srishti means the creation of all this universe and everything. That is under Him. He is Lakshmi Pati, husband of goddess of fortune, Lakshmi. Like that, many other things are there. And the Jivatma doesn't get any of those things. They just get a drop, these 8 qualities. And therefore it is said that one becomes like God. One become God. They equal it like that. So we remain as individual Jivatma now, even later after the Moksha as well. The difference is now we are called Baddhatma, Badajiwatma, which means conditioned soul. That is, we are entangled in this material world due to our desires, our vasanas, our karma, by the 3 modes, etc. When we get liberated, then we are no more Baddhatma, we are not conditioned. We are out of this condition. We don't have any more karma. We are not influenced by the 3 modes. So that state is, that time, the Jivatma is called Mukta Atma. Still is a Jivatma. So at any given point of time, we never lose our identity. We never become God. We remain as we are. The difference is, from Baddhatma, we become Mukta Atma, a liberated soul. Likewise, Paramatma, the super soul, never becomes Jivatma. Even when he descends as Krishna, Rama, Varaha, Narasimha, so forth, he is always Paramatma. Nothing changes as he comes down in any way. He remains as he is with his unlimited qualities and never be influenced. Because there are schools of thought which says the Brahman, Paramatma, is bewildered and is taken up here over here. When that Paramatma realizes, then he attains moksha. There is no concept of a second soul. There is only one. So that is not accepted over here. As per Bhagavad Gita also, we can learn that. But people give some examples of, especially people like the concept of merging. Merging is so interesting for many people. They want to merge into God. So they give some example, and we'll see these examples, and we'll see how these examples are not valid. The example 1 is the moksha is like a glass of water is added to a water container which has water in it. So that is called merging. A glass of water is poured into another water container which already has a water. So in this way, the Jivatma merges into Paramatma. And this is an example which has been provided. So the question for us is, when we add the glass of water into the water container, will the water container remain the same with the quantity, or will that increase the quantity? The answer is it increases the quantity. Therefore, we can understand that Paramatma, by Jivatma merging into Paramatma, so the quantity of Paramatma is going to change. And this cannot be accepted. Paramatma never changed by quantity. He is already unlimited, immeasurable. So how is that we can add something to Paramatma and change the position? But since this example has been defeated, vīta-rāga-bhaya-krodhā man-mayā upāśritāḥ bahavo jñāna-tapasā pūtā mad-bhāvam āgatāḥ. Namaste. Hare Krishna.